Hi everybody, it's Miss Jessie over at the library. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to read We're Going on a Bear Hunt. It's one of my favorite stories, and it's by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenbury. And then after we read it, we're going to make our own craft together that then you'd be able to use that to retell the story at your house. Are we ready? Okay, we're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass. Long, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swish, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. They're going through the grass. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. They went through the river, but at least they took off their shoes. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. What a beautiful day. Uh-oh, mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Thick, yucky mud. They must have gotten really dirty. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest. A big, dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through it. They're gonna get ready. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. They're going through the forest with those big, tall trees. What are they tripping on? What do you think? The tree roots. There's roots from the trees, and they stick up from the ground, and sometimes you can trip on them. Phew, they made it. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through it. Ooh, ooh, it's so chilly and windy. Ooh. Oh, phew. They made it through the snowstorm. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? What do you think they see? One shiny red nose, 2 big furry ears, 2 big googly eyes. It's a bear! Ah, quick! Back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Woo, woo, woo. Back to the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squirt, 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 squirt. Back through the river. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Back through the grass. Swishy, 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 swishy. Oh my goodness, they're going so fast. Quick, 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 quick. Get to our front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Oh no! We forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Shut the door. Back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into bed. Under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again. They're hiding. And then look, the last page. What is the bear doing? He's walking back home. Maybe he just wanted to play. He was saying, hey, I just want to play. But they weren't staying to play with the bear. So we just read the story. So now we have a fun craft to make if you came to the library and picked up your craft. Okay, so get your bag ready and we'll take out our things. So the first thing we need is our glue stick. Ready? And our blue piece of paper. Okay, so we have our paper. I'm going to tilt you down a little bit because I want to make sure you can see. And I have my glue stick. So the first thing that they came to as they were going on their adventure was the tall, wavy grass. So we're going to get our green strip of paper and we're going to put some glue on it. Okay, so I'm going to open up my glue stick. And put glue all on the back and then press it right on to our blue paper. So that's our grass. Okay, then in your kit, you have a little container that has some green crinkles in it. Do you see? And this is perfect for our long wavy grass. So then we'll take some of our glue and put it right on top. And then take your crinkles and you can press it down on the glue. That's our tall, wavy grass. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Okay, next they came to a river, a deep, cold river. So our background is already blue. So we don't need a blue strip of paper, but we do need some tissue paper. So you could take your glue stick and put it on like this. Give it a great big rub, 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 rub. Okay, and then with your tissue paper, we're going to use our finger muscles and we're going to tear pieces. And then we're going to stick it on. There we go. Now mine is sticking better. And then use your fingers and then make some water. You can use big pieces or little pieces. Whatever you want for your river. Okay. Oh! I'm gonna go back. I feel like my glue stick. Okay. So we have our grass right here, our river, and then they came to another thing on their adventure. And it went squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. It was mud. So we need to get our brown piece of paper. And we'll put some glue on it to stick it next, right here. So our long grass, deep cold river, and our ooey gooey mud. Now you'll also notice that in your kit, I gave you a little tub of brown paint, and that's gonna be for our mud, and a paintbrush. But there's also something inside the paint, because I wanted to make it really look thick, ooey, and gooey. Okay, so do you have any guesses of what that black stuff is? I'll give you a clue. It was something that sometimes grown-ups might put in a mug and then add hot water. Now you may have said, coffee! Miss Jessie, it's coffee! Which is a super guess. But it was not coffee. It's a little trickier. I put in a tea bag. The ingredients of a tea bag I sprinkled in there to make kind of your thick, ooey, gooey mud. So you can take out your paint. And you'll notice it's not very smooth. It is chunky, but that's what I wanted. So now it looks like thick, ooey, gooey mud. Wrap it all around. All right. So now I have my mud. And they went through it. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Phew. And then when they made it through the mud, they looked over and there was a forest. A big, dark forest. So I'm going to get my green paper right here, and we're going to put some glue on it. Okay, and that's going to go right next to our mud. And now, this is also fun. So at your house, when a grown-up tells you you can, what you can do is go outside. This is the time when you get to do your own little hunt. Not for bears outside, but for right now, you can go outside and see if you can find a stick or some little twigs or some mulch, something that you can stick on here to make our stumble trip, stumble trip, stumble trip, the roots of the trees. So I have some little sticks. If you're watching this and you don't have any sticks right now, you can either give it a pause if a grown-up says it's okay and run outside and grab them, or when you're all done, you can go back and go outside and get some sticks and twigs. So if all you're doing right now is the green paper, that's okay. Right? If you have time, you can do your gluing of your sticks or your twigs or some mulch, whatever you want to do for your big forest. And then after they made out of the forest, there was a whirling snowstorm. So in your white envelope that you had, you should see a white cotton ball. That's what we're going to use for our snowstorm. So again, grab your glue stick. Do a little bit of glue next to your forest. And then using our finger muscles, we're going to spread and rip apart the Q-tip, the cotton ball. So if you're still working on your mud or even the river, that's okay. All right, you have lots and lots of time. And You can always pause me if you need to, if I'm going too fast on my video. Okay? That's kind of the good thing about watching me on video. You can pause and take a break if you need to. Okay. Whoa, there's my swirling, whirling snowstorm. So long, wavy grass, deep, cold river, thick, oozy mud, squelch, 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 squelch. Our forest, our big dog forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Our snowstorm. Ooh. And then there's one more place on their adventure. The cave, where they go tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. So your black piece of paper is going to represent the cave. So I have some glue. So sticky. My fingers are getting sticky too. Sometimes when we are artists, we get messy. All right, so then we put that down. There's our cave. They tiptoed, tiptoed inside. And what did they see? 2 big furry ears. So your bear should also be, he's kind of camouflaged on my vest. Your bear should also be in your white envelope. They saw 2 big furry ears. Ah! And then they saw 2 big googly eyes. So again, these will also be in your white envelope. Okay, now you have a glue stick and you can use the glue stick, or if you're up for a super duper challenge, oh no, I just put my elbow in my grass. They are stickers. So if your fingers are feeling extra strong, you can peel them off. Or just use your glue stick. Pump him up a little bit. Okay. And there is your own bear hunt storyboard. So when it dries, I need some extra glue right here. So when yours dries, if you don't have the bear hunt book at home, you don't need it. You can tell the story just from right here. We're going on a bear hunt. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. And then you get to all of the different parts of their adventure. The long wavy grass, the deep cold river, the thick oozy mud, the deep dark forest, the swirling whirling snowstorm, and the narrow cave. So you can tell your own story. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me, and I hope that I see you soon for another Storytime and Craft. Bye.